So today we are going to see the basic tutorial of the REVIT architecture. So in REVIT we have three types of software: REVIT architecture, REVIT structure, and REVIT MEP. So mechanical and plumbing. So here we have, if we open our REVIT, so I'm using REVIT 2013. So if you open this software, so you will be able to see the screen. So here we have the project templates, and here we have families. So families is nothing but the cars, the chairs, the benches, the beds, everything we will having in this software. So we know we have seen in AutoCAD now. So we have imported blocks. So here that blocks will be in 3D and 2D. So we can easily here we have more than so many blocks will be available for us. So like different for the structural, architectural, and everything blocks will be available. So here we have projects, that is architectural and construction. So we are using for the architecture purpose, like teaching the building. So we are not for the construction of any building. So we are designing interior and exterior part of the building. So we are going to take the architectural template only. So okay. So we will open architectural template. So here our REVIT architecture software will open like this. So here you can see these four nodes. So these are four cameras basically. So we can, if you want, we can also delete also. So this is nothing but we will take as this as north, south, east, and west camera. So we will draw our plan over here. So if you draw here also, no problem, but it will also show everything. So mainly we will draw the plan over here only. So this is known as project browser. So this is mainly used in our Revit software. So without this we cannot make anything about the drawings. So here we have floor plans, ceiling plans, and elevations. So if you go to elevation east, so this is the east side elevation. So these are the levels where we will keep our levels and we will draw the structure. So these are like the north, south, and west. So these are the four floor plans. So while we are drawing on the floor, we use these floor plans. While we are making the ceilings, we will use these ceiling plans. It will be also changed based on our number of levels. So now this site is used for making topographic overview of our building. So we can make topographic. So and this is the property browser. So here if you open anything about this wall or anything, so it will open all the properties about that architecture function. So if I'm using the wall, so see it has opened the wall properties. So here we have different types of walls. So generic 8-inch masonry, retaining walls, curtain walls, foundations, and everything we have here. So we'll draw afterwards. So here we have doors. So this is the door family. So we can directly place the doors here with our customized. We can custom the dimensions also. So here in this component we will be evaluating of different types of like plumbing, parking, and everything. So this is column. So here we have two types: structural column and normal column. So after that I am placing over here. So if we go to east, so we can see our column. Want to see in realistic, go to here realistic. So it will be in realistic. So click on 3D. So here we will be able to see in 3D. So again here we have window. So window is also same like that only. We can also place from the families. So this is for the roofs, and this is for the ceiling and floors. Here we have different types of floors, and these are curtain walls, mullion, and here we also have railings. You can sketch up. So and we have staircase also, ramp, and this is the model line. So here we have, if you want to make any openings, so by shaft or only shaft, or you can take walls. This is vertical, so we can open make an opening like this, and in the wall we can open horizontally. So here we have grids and we have levels. So we have seen here levels now. If you want to add any levels, we will click on this level and we will add over here. So like this we can add our levels. So this is the architecture tab. So now we will go to the structure. So here we have beams and walls, columns, floor, trusses. So we have different types of trusses and bracings. This is the wall slab and this is the floor slab, and we have components also. Here also we have for the cuttings of the slabs or anything. So if you go to insert, we can link CAD, DWF files or import CAD files. So in this we can import CAD files and images also, and we can draw. So we can place our, we go to 3D, we can place our plan over here, image, and we can draw over here. So that is very good function. So this is the load family. So here we will getting all the, like, see, you can see here columns. So this is chamfered. So this, see, it's seeing like so how this model is seeing. So like this we have doors. So this is the bifold to 4 panel curtain glass double, and this is double glass ones, shutters, and like this we have different types of doors. And you can also import this families from outside also, like if you want any other thing, so we can also import over here. So in annotate we have angled, angular, radial, diameter. So this is for the annotation part. So how we want to keep any levels, or if you want to give any tags. So this is the analyze part, and this is the massing and site. So if you want to give any topography for our area, so we can give this. So here you can see. So the image will be defined. So we can give like this surface and side components and parking components. So this collaborates. So this that's not used by us. So these are the views. So here we have render and rendering, cloud render, gallery. So show hidden lines. So here we have cameras and walkthrough. We can see from the inside of our house after drawing our plan, and you can switch our windows. So we can switch 2 to 3 windows over here, and we can make use of it. So if you lost any project browser, you can check here. So we can get the project browser from here. So in the manage, you're going to manage all the units and locations, coordinates. If you want to manage all the materials, you can manage here. So modify command, or we can see this modify command in AutoCAD also. So here we have move, copy, offset, mirror, rotate. So this is trim, and again array. So this is split element and split with gap. So cut, join. So everything is available in modify command. So this how this is the overall the menu commands and the points and the structures. So if I'm going to floor level 1, I will delete this. So I will draw some just rough diagram. So in AutoCAD we will be taking much time, but in this you need so much less time and you can draw a fabulous drawing. So easily it will make. So if you see here, see it as projector. But in AutoCAD we have to do the press pull. Sorry. So again, if I want to add doors, go to doors. So here we have single flush. Go to edit type. So click on load. So go to our door families. I'm selecting double glass 2. Okay. So it will load all the properties. It will change the properties over here. So it is generating the structure. So here we can edit everything, whichever we want. Everything we can edit. Click on OK. So see here, I can keep it over here. So it is placed. So again I am placing here. So if you see like this, see our doors has been placed. Now we will place window. So I am placing window over here, over here. So we will see this in realistic. So see, so how it is looking. So if you see in AutoCAD, it will take so much time for us. So but in here we can draw simply with all the curtains and all the doors, windows, everything we can draw here. So if you want to add any ramp, you have to go to level 1. So click on this modify for the 2 times. Double click on it so the tools will open. Select one boundary. So I'm selecting here. So I'm selecting a run. So our boundary is missing. So we have to create this boundary. On boundary, select this one. So now escape and click on run. We click the risers. And so we can draw the ramps and everything. So we can add the railings also. Select the boundary. So my PC is so slow. I'm gonna add like this. Then I have to click here, click here, click here, and here. So see, my railing has completed. So I'll go to 3D. So see here we can see our railings. So we can modify our railings also. So we can change to glass filled railings also. So see here. So like this, we can draw a huge diagrams and elevations and everything in a just a simple manner if we compare to AutoCAD. So that is the basic, that is the main first part, and this is the updated version of that. This is the beam software. It provides building information modeling. We are giving all the information what we require, and we can modify however we want. So this is the overall basics of Revit architecture. Thank you.